Good morning, class. Standard 7th, subject Geography, chapter number 6, Natural Regions. As we had started this topic in the month of November, the next parts we completed in the month of December, and today, since it is Thursday, you have completed in the morning the live online class, and now we will continue for the same with part 5, and that will be the concluding part. In our morning online class, we had completed page number 34, Monsoon region, Mediterranean region and West European region. So page number 34 will start with the map. Besides the 9 regions given in the table, there are certain other distinctive regions which stand out because of their specific continental locations. For example, the China type region, St. Lawrence region. You can look up to the map. It is there even in your textbook. And now we start from page number 36. As one travels from the equator to the poles, the spectrum of biodiversity narrows down. Spectrum means the variety of plants and animals life in the world narrows down. This leads to the issue of availability of natural resources. This adversely affects human occupation. In monsoon regions, agricultures are allied. Allied means related activities form the main occupation of the people. Now, in a previous class, we had learned the monsoon region, equatorial region, taiga region, tundra region and grassland. We are compiling all this in the last paragraph. That means in the monsoon region, agriculture and allied activities from the main occupation of the people. Now next, in the equatorial region, occupations like gathering of gum, honey, rubber, lac, etc. are all based on forest produce. Taiga is a softwood forest. Therefore, lumbering, that is cutting down of trees, is a main occupation there. In tundra region, the main occupation is hunting and fishing. Extensive farming is undertaken in grassland nowadays. So, we have completed all monsoon, equatorial, taiga, tundra and grassland. Next, significant differences are found in the environment and available resources in different natural regions. The use of resources is dependent on that region's progress in science and technology. So, resources play a very important role in our life. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of that place also affects the life of the people. Again, we have a few questions to think about it. Let us see to the first question. Why are the hot deserts mainly located along the western side of the continent? Answer: the planetary winds blowing shed their moisture into eastern parts of the continent and become dry by the time they reach the western margins. Next, continue. Therefore, hot deserts are mainly located along the western side of the continent. Question number 2. Why are people in the hot desert engaged mostly in animal rearing? Answer. Hot desert have very scanty rains and high temperature, which does not favor agriculture. Scanty means less rainfall. Next, continuation. Hot deserts have very scanty rains and high temperature, which does not favor agriculture. Therefore, people in the hot deserts are mostly engaged in animal rearing. Why do people in hot desert live in nomadic life? Therefore, they move from one place to another in search of water and fodder for their animals. Why are carnivorous animals found in grassland? In the grassland region, there are a large number of herbivorous animals. Therefore, carnivorous animals are found in large numbers, and we know that carnivorous animals feed on other animals. Girls, whatever questions I have given in this video lesson along with the answers, I want you to write this in your rough book neatly. Since it is a video lesson, it will remain in the video app itself. Next, always remember, not only human life but the entire living world on the earth depends on the available natural resources. Hence, while utilizing these resources, we must think of all the living organism. The concept, the earth is one single family. It will become a reality only if we do that. Next, do you know? It's just for our knowledge. You don't have to study it by heart, but you need to know some information about it. About 25% of the deserts on the earth are sandy desert. Many of the deserts are occupied by rock exposures or covered by stony waste and pebbles. Pebbles means small stones. Some have high hills with narrow rocky pinnacles. Pinnacles means high pointed rocks. Deserts like Ladakh in our country, in the United States of America, are of this type. Strong winds blowing in the desert lift and deposit sand to make sandy hills or sand dunes. Sand dunes means large quantity of sand. Some dunes can be as high as 200 meters. These hills do not remain stationary. Stationary means they are not still or stable, but keep moving slowly under the influence of winds. At times, villages get buried under them. My dear students, I have completed chapter number 6, Natural Regions, with part 1 to part 5. I want you girls to read the chapter well, understand it. Whatever I have sent it in the video lesson, you can watch the video well, and I will prepare the notes for you and forward. Until then, continue reading and complete the question answers in the rough book. Thank you.